Imagine waking up to find your reputation shattered by false statements online. What would you do? Online defamation is a growing issue in our interconnected world, causing immense damage to reputations. False statements spread quickly online, reaching a global audience in an instant. The impact of online defamation can be severe, leading to loss of business, emotional distress, and social alienation. Addressing online defamation swiftly is crucial to mitigate its long-term consequences. But how can you fight back against online defamation? Legal action is one option. To sue for defamation, you must understand the legal criteria: false statements, publication, harm, and negligence or malice. Identifying the defendant can be challenging, especially with anonymous posts, but digital forensic specialists can help. Gathering evidence is critical. Screenshots, dates, and correspondence strengthen your case. Consulting with a defamation attorney is essential to navigate the complex legal process. Alternative dispute resolution methods like mediation or arbitration can be less costly and time-consuming. If necessary, your attorney will file a defamation lawsuit, outlining the defamatory statements and damages sought. Be prepared for a lengthy litigation process, including discovery, depositions, and court appearances. Winning a defamation lawsuit can result in damages for lost income, emotional distress, and reputation harm. However, suing for defamation comes with challenges: high costs, time, uncertain outcomes, and public exposure. Many turn to online reputation management services as an alternative to legal action. Defamation Defenders offers comprehensive solutions to protect and repair your online reputation. Their content removal services work with website owners, hosting providers, and search engines to remove defamatory content. When removal isn't possible, search engine suppression pushes negative content down in search results. Online reputation repair services create and manage positive content to restore your reputation. Choose Defamation Defenders for their proven track record, customized solutions, and commitment to confidentiality. Protect your reputation today.